Global Hunger Index 2020. India has been ranked at 94 among 107 countries in the Global Hunger Index 2020. Out of the total 107 countries, only 13 countries fare worse than India, including countries like Rwanda 97, Nigeria 98, Afghanistan 99, Liberia 102, Mozambique 103, Chad 107, among others. Here are the important highlights of the Global Hunger Index 2020. Global scenario: worldwide hunger is at a moderate level, according to the 2020 Global Hunger Index. Africa south of the Sahara and South Asia have the highest hunger and undernutrition levels among world regions, with 2020 GHI scores of 27.8 and 26.0, respectively, both considered serious. According to 2020 GHI scores, 3 countries have alarming levels of hunger: Chad, Timor-Leste, and Madagascar. The world is not on track to achieve the second Sustainable Development Goal, known as Zero Hunger for short, by 2030. Indian scenario: India now ranks 94th among 107 countries in terms of hunger, and continues to be in the severe hunger category according to the Global Hunger Index 2020. According to the study, 14% of India's population is undernourished. India ranks lower than most of its South Asian neighbors: Pakistan 88, Nepal 73, Bangladesh 75, Sri Lanka 64, and Myanmar 78, and only Afghanistan fares worse, at 99th place. One positive in the report on India is the reduction in under 5 mortality between 2000 and 2018. It is important to note that India's score on the GHI index in 2020, 27.2, is an improvement as compared to 38.9 in 2000, 37.5 in 2006, and 29.3 in 2012. About Global Hunger Index. It is an annual report, jointly published by Concern Worldwide and Wellthinger Health. A low score gets a country a higher ranking, which implies a better performance. Data from the United Nations and other multilateral agencies are used for the calculation. It is calculated on the basis of 4 indicators: undernourishment, population with insufficient caloric intake, child wasting, children under age 5 who have low weight for their height, child stunting, children under age 5 who have low height for their age, child mortality rate of children under the age of 5. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to BN by IAS and press the bell icon to never miss an update.